Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan! It's another day. Today is August 10 already. Ang bilis. So, today I have a hair client. I'm sorry kung maingay yung aircon guys kasi ang init-init today. So, I have a hair client today and also yesterday I have a hair client pero hindi ako na vlog yesterday kasi I was busy. I had a job interview yesterday so I did not have the time already to vlog. So, today na lang muna. Ayan. So, ano yan? Yesterday, ano lang naman yun, haircut. Tapos, ngayon is keratin or Brazilian blowout. And it's going to be my friend. So, I'm just waiting for her kasi 9 o'clock pa yung, yung appointment namin. And then, while waiting for her, naglalaba ako kasi, ayokong dumami yung guys, tingnan niyo naman. Hindi mawala-wala ito. Ang tagal niya mawala. Tapos nababakbak. It was so weird. Yan. So, I know. Pasensya na if I always talk about my pimples every time I do a vlog. Ayan. So, lang kasi pag nilagyan ko siya ng concealer, siya, nababakbak. Ayan. So, ang init guys. Grabe. Ang init. Diyos ko, grabe ang init. I think, nung chinek ko sa aking phone, yung 38 ba? Or 35 degrees Celsius today dito sa place namin. So, ayan. Medyo, ayan pala yung aking setup. For the meantime, wala pa akong chair kasi, hindi ko alam kung, anong tawag yan. Magsiship sila dito sa Japan kasi chinek ko na, pero hopefully may makita akong supplier na mag-ship dito sa Japan ng akin kasi kailangan ko talaga ng yung at least yung tattoo chair man lang yung nag-incline ba, ganyan, para hindi ako mahirapan tapos hindi din mahirapan yung client ko. But for now, eto muna yung set up natin. So I did not hear anybody yet coming, so mag-chill muna ako and I'm gonna update you on the rest of my day. So, see you later. Hi guys! I'm with my friends. Si Annalyn! Ito si Annalyn.
Ay, ba ako isama?
Ha?
Hello.
Hello? Hala, awkward. O, diba?
Awkward moment.
Yung mga friendships ko dito na...
Uy, huwag mo ako isali. Oo, isali.
Next is...
Si Lani. Si Lota. Hindi ako kasama.
Yeah, si Lota. Ayan, si Lani, diba? Wow. Yaksan ko ngayon. O, diba?
Thank you.
Yung mga friendships ko dito. Oh! Come on, alam. Next is... Ayan. Uy, gwapa ka. Titiro tayo.
Oo. I-filter ba sa'yo? Original. Ay, original na. Original na eh.
Di, uy, wala man siya filter. O, diba? Ayan, si Lota. Oh. Di, kay kuan man good siya. Eto na lang yung binili ko kasi bala ko sana bumili ng
Pero hindi muna.
camera pero wala akong pera kaya eto yung S10. Ang ingay namin, so chika later. Marami pa kaming pagchichikahan. Yan, bye! Hey guys, so finally we are done. Natapos na din. Actually, natapos kami like around mga 4 p.m. Ayan, so looking so haggard. Can you see my pores? Wala na. Ang init kasi ang init kaya hindi pwedeng mag-foundation. Ayan, so nakauwi na din yung mga friends ko. Natapos na din kami mag-haircut ni Annalyn kasi Annalyn, I forgot to take picture on her hair. Na-busy na sa kakadaldal kasi ang tagal din namin hindi nagkita. I was in the Philippines for like mga 3 years. Ayan, so medyo matagal din kami hindi nagkita. Tapos matagal-tagal din na tsikahan. For sure, magkikita pa naman kami uli. Pero ayan, ang bilis ng oras. It is already 7 p.m. here. And ayan, mag-isa lang ako kasi Rookie is at work. Yeah, nandun siya sa work niya. And ako, I'm still waiting for a job, pero may pakonti-konti tayong sideline here and there. Yung of course yung hair natin, hair business natin. Ayan, so 2 clients for today. Si Lani, yun nga yung friend ko, tapos si Annalyn. So right now it's time to eat and I'm gonna check kasi may in-schedule ako na video tonight pala. So I'm gonna share it sa Facebook and then eat at the same time.
The next day.
Hi guys, so tapos na yung aking work today. Ayan, may ni-rebond ako, tsaka yan, Brazilian blowout today. And now it is time to eat. Kakain muna kami ni Rookie. Nasa iyo yung bag, di ba? Yan, today is Sunday ba? Ay, nasi Kuan din na.
Yeah.
Si Kuan ba? Okay sa na din.
Si Ili to?
I don't know.
Si Ili to?
Dili. Batan mo na.
Ili?
Chicken masioso. Ayan. So guys, pasensya na yesterday that I wasn't able
Belt
to
label.
finish the belt. Finish the vlog kasi yun nga, na-busy na ako. Tapos,
Si Luta, wala mo si Luta.
wala, natulog si Lota dyan. She's
Yan, no?
tired. Oh.
Yan ni Maron?
Wala na yung lagi siya, mapaway siya kaya wala siya sleeping. Ayan. So, ayun ba? Ano bang sinasabi ko? So, yun. Yesterday, I wasn't able to finish the vlog kasi nga yun, na-busy ako and then ayun, nagchika-chika pa kami so medyo late na. Diba? I think nakwento ko na yan this morning. So, ngayon lang din ako natapos. I have 2 clients today and natapos kami mga natapos pala ako mga around 6 p.m. So, yeah, let's go to KS. Ayan yung aking gwapong husband.
Kinsa ni? Kinsa ni?
I don't know that, bro.
Ha?
Yung mga kuan ng god ha. Phone ng kuan ng god sila. So, I wanted to buy yung adapter ng aking phone para ma-transfer ko na yung mga footage nito sa aking computer kasi hindi ko ma-transfer kaya hindi ko ma-upload yung I need to edit yung mga video ko na kasi wala na akong video. So
Here we are again.
here is Rookie again. Rookie?
On a electric spaceship.
So ayun nga guys, maaga pa yung 6 o'clock today. So ano ba yan, it's 2 minutes already tapos parang wala naman akong sinabing may saysay. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Ang laki ng tiyan ko. I don't know why. So yun, I'm gonna see you later na sa KS kasi parang I think I'm hungry kaya nonsense na yung mga pinagsasabi ko. See you later guys! Just got here sa KS para bumili ng something sa Shibori. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapunta obviously dito 3 years ago. 3 years ago na. So I don't know if okay lang mo. Pare ko direct tayo din no bali man dai no. I'm confused, bro. At pupunta sana ako doon sa kabila. Nasa left side pala yung yung tawag niyan yung escalator. Yan yung hi guys, so I'm here sa KF. Ang gabi, ang mahal ng nila hindi pala merong 2-1 2-1 yung mura lang. Oh, for the I need a tripod for my phone. May ano dito. Magkano ba yung ano? Oh, Cybershot RX Sony RX is like, oh, RX10 is so cheap already. 3 lapad na lang, guys. Tapos yung RX like, it feels so weird. Where is Canon? Where is Canon? Canon. Sony RX3 is like 6. But I want to do Canon, guys. Hindi ko mahanap-hanap si Canon G7X. So, ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. I'm happy na hindi ako nag-order sa Amazon. Kasi yan lang yung price niya. Ayan. Magparehas lang din sila sa Amazon. Tapos eto din. Tapos it takes time pa na bayad doon sa Amazon. Tapos may shipping pa. Ayan. I'm so happy. So yung hanapin ko na lang yung hub. Andito yung mga hub. Ang daming hub. So I think ito lang yung pipiliin ko. I'm just gonna choose this one because it's only 1,580 yen. And the rest is medyo mahal, 3,000 yen. And gusto ko sana to, but apat ba? Ito na lang sana. Ito na lang kasi apat yung Kasi ito, 3 lang yung niya. USB niya. Tapos 3.0. Yun na lang. Ito, konti lang naman yung difference nila. Ito is 1.5. Tapos 1.7. Nihako yen lang. So, ito na lang at least apat, diba? Oh my God, ang mahal. Ayan, yung the rest is medyo mahal na. So, I just finished there from KS and I got me my goodies. Yay! I'm so happy kasi I really need to transfer the files na, yung mga videos ko, guys. Kasi hindi ko ma-upload, ma-edit yung video ko from this phone kasi nga, hindi to iPhone tapos walang mga dalang something cableness yung Samsung. I'm so new to Samsung kaya hindi ko alam na unlike with I'm used to iPhone.
Mga unta or mga malit ta og usara ka count tubig ang palit.
Mga unta tay and so hungry na. Yeah, it's already like 7 o'clock na. We need to eat because we haven't eaten na may lamo.
Na may lamo.
Unsa man imong bawnon ugma?
Namo koy palit sudan.
Ay mo kaunon ugma.
Ali palit sudan.
Oh. Wala, I really like this yung picture ng Samsung ba sugoy ni kasi pag sa iPhone to medyo madilim na yung footage na to pero yung S10 ang ganda ng camera niya, guys. Naghanap ako ng Canon doon sa taas pero I still need to do few more hairs para mabili natin si Canon. Pero I don't know, wala pa akong balak kasi ang ganda ng camera nitong Samsung na S10, no? So, yung problema ko na lang yung casing nito para at least protected kasi ang nipis-nipis ng casing nito. Grabe. So, ayan yung low light. Low light ng wow, sugoy. Medyo grainy na siya kasi wala na daw. You cannot see me. So, we are just going to stop here. It's a new, nung umalis kami dito, wala pa tong tindahan na to. So, it's now a grocery or a supermarket. Yeah, dati-dati kami to. So, we're just going there para market. Ayan, katabi lang siya malapit lang siya ng KS. So, we're inside the restaurant now. We are choosing what to eat, so I'm not gonna choose anything, so I'm just gonna have this one. Yeah, because I always have this one, yung regular hamburg. Ikaw? What do you like? Fish? Let's look for a fish. There's no fish, bro. Meron namang fish. Ha? Unsa na? Naman dato'y fish din Where are the fishes? Have gone. Where's the fish gone? Fish,
Morning.
Morning? Oh. Healthy. Di, pangutanon lang na to if ano, di kiro. So we're inside the restaurant and I haven't had my coffee this morning, so I'm drinking cafe latte and Rookie is drinking Pepsi. Pepsi. It's a tea. Yeah, me. I'm having coffee. So we're back here in
Mga lulo,
Joyful
nagkuhan.
and
Mga
medyo iba na yung itsura ng Joyful from yung the last time that we are here, and it's kinda like brown and beigey something, so we are just waiting for our food. It is almost like 8 p.m. This is the longest time that I have it. I don't know if you can hear me because it's kinda noisy here right now kasi maraming tao, but yeah, we're just waiting for our food, and yeah, usually I stop eating like around 6 p.m. but since I was busy today, so I need to eat late. Ayan, so yeah, usually I ate like mga around 1 p.m. Yeah, I did not have breakfast, so we're just waiting for our foodie. So here comes my foodie. Stamina, ito pala, I changed my mind, guys. I got the stamina like bota. Oh, bota dong. Ayan. And yeah, may ganito siya. Tapos yan yung kay Rookie. Tapos also we got some Caesar salad. Itadakimasu. It looks so orange, bruh. Because of the light. This is so weird. So, tapos na kami kumain. And it's time to go home. Hi guys, we're home. And I'm so full. And I'm just going to test out the things that I got from Keso Denki. So, I'm gonna show you again what I got. So, I got this one. Yan, para sa aking microphone. Yung PC, yung may 3.5 na jack, yung separate yung ito. Para makapag voice over ako sa aking laptop, tsaka using my microphone, and I'm gonna use it also sa aking cellphone. Ayan, ito. This is like, I think I already showed you how much is this one. So I also got a USB hub, and then I also got, of course, this one kasi kailangan ko. So I'm gonna test first yung sa yung sa jack sa microphone. I'm so excited. Hi friends, good morning, and yeah, good morning. So before this clip I already filmed recorded this one, but since wala siyang audio, kaya I need to to do this again. So right now I'm just testing yung binili ko last night, yung microphone na split, anong tawag yan, yung jack splitter ng aking yung mic. Kasi for now I decided that I will be filming using my phone camera kasi wala pa akong lighting, guys. Iniwan ko doon sa Pilipinas, tapos yung dala ko lang is yung ring light, and that would not be enough light kasi naman pag DSLR, diba, you need a lot of light, and hopefully okay lang naman yung resolution ng ng phone camera na to. And also I also tried to test kung okay ba yung nabili ko na oh my goodness, ito yung yung bang tawag nito, yung C na na USB, from micro USB, tapos C kasi hindi ko ma-transfer yung aking files sa aking phone to my computer, and I cannot edit, and I need to edit kasi wala na akong edited na videos. So today is Monday, and dapat talaga may i-upload na ako today, and hopefully makapag-upload tayo Monday, Wednesday, and Friday because that is my targeted upload schedule. But hopefully I am also planning to upload kasi vlogs naman for the meantime yung i-upload ko. So if it is a vlog, then I will be uploading straight Mondays to Friday, but hopefully it will happen. If that will not happen, then definitely Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, ayan, I need to transfer the files na sa aking computer. And yeah, so yun lang yung sasabihin ko today, and I just came here because I just wanted to say good night kasi yun nga, hindi ako nakapag-good night last night. Ayan, upo tayo kasi nakakapagod. So, hindi ako parang nasira yung something dito sa pan. So, hindi ako nakapag-good night last night. So, ayan, I'm gonna say goodbye. Not goodbye. Basta, I'm gonna close this vlog today. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!